In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a completed signed document from DocuSign and save it as a PDF on your computer. To get started, open the DocuSign website in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Agreements section or the Manage section, depending on the version of DocuSign you're using. This is where you can view your envelopes and find documents that have already been completed. Next, look for the completed envelope that contains the document you want to save. Make sure you're selecting the correct completed item, especially if you manage multiple agreements. When you find it, open the completed envelope so you can access the available actions and download options. From there, select Download. You should see different download choices. Choose Document if you want to download the completed signed document as a PDF. DocuSign provides individually downloaded signed documents in PDF format, which makes them easy to store, share, and review later. If you also need proof of the signing process, you can select the Certificate of Completion from the available download options. This certificate can be useful for record keeping because it includes details about the transaction. If DocuSign gives you the option to combine files, and you'd prefer to keep everything together, choose Combine all PDFs into a single file. That way, the signed document and the certificate of completion will be downloaded as one PDF instead of separate files. After choosing the option you want, select Download again and wait for the PDF to finish downloading. Depending on your browser and internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once the file has downloaded, open your computer's Downloads folder and locate the PDF. Open the downloaded PDF and verify that the completed document appears correctly and that all signatures are visible. This quick review helps confirm that you downloaded the correct file and that everything looks complete before you store it elsewhere. If you'd like to save the file in a different location, select Save As from your PDF viewer. Then choose the folder where you want to store the document, enter a file name for the completed PDF, and select Save. It's a good idea to use a clear file name so the document is easy to find later. Finally, open the saved PDF from the folder you selected to verify that it was saved successfully. This last check ensures the file opens properly and is stored exactly where you want it. Thanks for watching.